Hello. This week's craft is a popsicle stick catapult. Inside your bag you'll find some instructions, a spoon, some rubber bands of different sizes, glue dots, popsicle sticks, a pom-pom, a binder clip, and some chocolate. All right, let's get started. Now we're going to start with one popsicle stick and flip the arms of your binder clip backwards, just like that. Now, use one glue dot. Now, sometimes these can be a little tricky, so be patient or ask a parent or guardian for help. So you're going to peel off a glue dot and stick it on your popsicle stick. And then stick the binder clip right on top. Then, using two more glue dots, add those to the top of the binder clip. Try to make sure it's over the metal arm of the binder clip. So we'll use two glue dots for this. Place that on the top, and then we're going to grab another popsicle stick and sandwich it on top. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other arm of the binder clip. So taking a popsicle stick and another glue dot, we're going to add the glue dot to the top of the popsicle stick. And then put the binder clip on top. Using two more glue dots, just like we did with the first arm, we're going to add the glue dots to the top of the binder clip. Then add the other popsicle stick and sandwich those together. Make sure they're good and tight. Then we're going to take two more glue dots and use one on the top at the end of where the popsicle sticks meet, just to give the arm a little more stability. We're going to do the same thing to the other arm on the catapult. Now, sandwich those together. Make sure they're good and stuck. Next, we're going to use one of the skinny rubber bands and one of the big fat rubber bands. Now, whichever side you decide to put the big rubber band on is your bottom. Now, twist it around the top a few times Make sure it's tight. And then roll it or scooch it. And we're going to move it all the way to the bottom of the popsicle sticks. It's important that we start at the top and wrap it around at the top. Otherwise, it won't be tight enough when we get to the bottom. So keep moving it down. Closer and closer to the bottom. And you want the rubber band to be on top of where both the 2 popsicle sticks and the binder clip are. The rubber band's going to help keep the popsicle sticks in place in the binder clip and help the glue dots out a little bit. Make sure it's in place, and then use one of the small skinny rubber bands on the top and do the same thing. Wrap it around a few times at the top and then scooch it down to the bottom, right on top of the arm of the binder clip. That will be your top. Now make sure it's all good and adjusted. Make sure they're in the right spot. Next, we're going to use our remaining 2 popsicle sticks. And we're going to put a glue dot in the center of each one of the glue dot in the center of each remaining popsicle stick. Now remember that the big rubber band is the bottom of our catapult. So on that arm, we're going to pry open the 2 popsicle sticks just a little bit and slide the other popsicle stick in between until the glue dot is in between, and then we're going to squish it together. One of them toward the binder clip and the other toward the back. These are going to act as legs for our catapult and keep it stabilized during the launch. Next up, we're going to use 2 skinny rubber bands. And we're going to wrap it around the top of the top arm and scooch the first one about halfway down the popsicle stick. And then another one. And we'll leave this one at the top. Then grab your spoon and slide it through the rubber bands and adjust the rubber bands so that one's toward the bottom and one is toward the top of the spoon. All right, there's your catapult. Now you can either use the pom-pom to launch, or you can launch some of your candy before you eat them. Thanks for joining me.